Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Kumshi benta ban penek pensa ikajing itana jang kisau dong saukun bat banyadaru ikajing long bekerpang juga mai mariang da ka penankam ban pelang ya ka karbon kebuan rak jumentoi ki Nongrep haga jella ka aira ecological solution ka bede ka tremon ngobha hapok kari India lai Ïatreilang baki lightly ke autonomous district council ka jela Meghalaya nari long khasi jaintia bat garo unong mikmat jong ka aira ecological solution uswapan merah haga khatwai te rempang arajar pausan Ulalik punya kendu yo Chief Executive Member Jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ba punya sing sim haying sa jong hanong ba Shillong ban penpau ko jing sngongu halo senyang benhei ba District Council kala ailat mentala sistem kenti ban pentrekam ya ka project lawan ra da ka aira ecological solution Hagajnya keram ikilat patai kubor uswapan merah bolong ru chairman jong ka aira ecological solution ulong magani ka project kedai kasin meningkong banwanra hagani ka jela Meghalaya ke ban penmentoi ya ki Nongrep nakaliang jong ba penyak sing sim ulong ling ba ka jingdon jong ka kenhon kelawan ra jumentoi ki Nongrep hagani ka jela hagbala ajing kai ki Nongrep kumnu ban penek pensa ka jinglong kerpang jong ka mai mariang
Ïora Ecological Solution, which is Delhi based, and we are working with the Meghalaya government, KHADC, JHADC and Garo Hills Council on helping community and farmers in Meghalaya get the best value for their tree assets through carbon finance. So in this we have a partnership with the largest agriculture bank in the world, Rabobank, with whom we are developing this program, and we are soon about to monetize their first carbon in the next 2-3 months. We have onboarded 19,000 hectares, about 9,000 farmers onto our digital platform, and our goal is to take this to 100,000 hectares. Our partnership with KHADC here is very critical, and KHADC under his leadership has been supporting this program from the very beginning. Last year the Honorable Chief Minister launched this program, and then we had a workshop where he also attended, and KHADC has helped us connect with the communities, helped us brief the communities about the value of carbon and the importance of carbon and other such environmental finance, and has also offered to us that we partner with KHADC to leverage their nurseries, the forest department, as long as it benefits the farmers and communities and increases their income. So this is our partnership. Now we are also talking to other funders. One of them is the USDFC and so on and so forth, to actually invest in Meghalaya, and our goal is to work with the state government and the district councils to actually make Meghalaya the green economy hub of India. That is our key goal. So that is why I'm here, to just visit again and update him on the progress of our project, and then to express our interest to continue to work together in this direction. Yeah, so we have a representative from US who works on international finance, who was also here. Unfortunately could not make it to this meeting because she's unwell, who also wanted to mention and express interest in investing in this project. The US has a program to invest in environmental programs or programs that generate value through environment, and Meghalaya's program is now one of the programs that they're considering to invest in. So we will soon likely bring that. In addition to the Rabobank from Netherlands, now the US is also interested in investing in this program.
Te ka ni ka jing kendo ka bakerpang ka jungi ha ka ni ka sngi but I chairperson jong ka Ïara ka win na ka kenhun tre monsubhan ni ka kenhun tre kam po kari India ki balai tre but ni ka district council la kumbashis nam tam ka jing tre ka jungi ka jing ade ka jungi but ki ka long ba lingba jungki ngiyo ban pensyai ba ngiyo ban pensuthu yaki Nongrep ki jongi bat kumjur ki nongshong shnong ki jongi habede ba ka jing kongsan ban penek pensa kamariang kamtam yakaba ki Nongrep ki jongi kin yo jing mentoi nakan niki habede ba jing penek kamtam ki deng ki sip ki we ki ta de namar balai kadan kata ka program kumansyuang no kata ka payment for ecosystem PS. Tekani kay Ïarap ha naman taban umday issue banong ba ka jingyaday ka jongi ban pensyai kipai ba iki Nongrep bakin penek pensak kemarang klem dadan jing mentoy kemut mentaling ba ka jing tre jongi ba ka Ïarap but kam tamru ngidang kmi ledi basa iwe i representative na po ka sarkar jong ka Amerika iba mi khmat ya kan ka international finance development iba kwa ban ya kendu bat ni na ka bentaban wanra jing mentoy ya ka dis council kamtam ya ki pai ba Nongrep jongi nama phidi ban sutu balai kadan ke jing Ïatreilang bat ni ba ka Ïarap bat ka state of government of Meghalaya kadau kalong ba kalan holding system hangne kiba bon hi khndo ka siap but kiwewe ki jing bat riti dustur